Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. So today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create account on Skout. To get started, let's open Skout app. Make sure you have already installed Skout app on your device. Here you can sign up with your Google account, Facebook account, Apple ID. For now, let's select Google account. Here, choose an account. Now it will navigate you to this interface. Here, enter your name and select your gender and select your birth date. Next, click on Continue button. So here you go, you have successfully created account on Skout. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.